Hey guys, so today we're going to be talking about a bar cart. So it comes in the color white and gold. So here's all the materials that it comes with. It comes with all the metal framing. It comes with the shelves that you had to build. It also comes with the screws, and it also comes with wheels as well. And it also does come with an instruction manual so you can know how to go ahead and build it. So let's go ahead and do so now. All right, so we finished building this bar cart. So it's super nice. It comes with wheels. What is great about this is that the wheels can lock at the bottom so you can keep it in place so it doesn't move all over the place. We have a few storage spots where you can put some stuff up here so things don't fall. We have like a wine rack so you can keep some wines on top. We do have another place for storage if you want to put like a little accessories. Another place you can put your glasses. And of course, more storage at the bottom, whatever you want to put. So go ahead and check it out.